Yes, I'm here.
Oh, good. Okay, I'm sorry about that, man. I'm glad you made it. How's your vacation?
It was good.
All right. Do you do anything fun?
Um, I had a fun little Easter and I just went out to eat throughout the week.
What was your favorite thing you ate?
Um, hmm, Probably McDonald's.
Nice. I love McDonald's. You know what the crazy thing is? I went out to eat last weekend and I had fajita fries. Like, what are they? Like carnitas fries. Like carnitas? No, wait. Carne asada. I had carne asada fries. They had like, they're so good. Like carne asada on top of fries with all the sauce, cheese. Oh my gosh. I gained about 7 pounds eating them. You had them before, Edgar? I've never had them before. They had all the salsa and the sauce. It was so good. And then I had a heart attack afterwards because I think that's like the worst thing you can eat is carne asada fries. Anyway, that's what I had. It was my first time eating them. So, have you ever had those before? I don't know. Would you recommend them, Edgar? Do they sound good to you? Are you vegetarian? They're good. Anyway. All right. So I'm recording now. So I feel like I'm choppy today. Download. Here we go. Download. And so I can't see you guys because I'm looking at the problem here. But let's look at the problems in this homework. So let's understand greater than and less than. Let's look at our homework problems, okay? So here we go. Start our homework problem. So we're actually doing homework from the book before doing Delta Math. Let's do number 5. Okay, write the sentence in an inequality. Okay, a number x is greater than 3. Okay, so how would we write that? A number x is greater than 3. I'm assuming you can see me. So number x, all you have to do for number 5 is this. A number x is greater than 3. And that's all you have to do for number 5. That's it. Okay? And let's do number 6. A number n plus 7 is less than or equal to 9. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Let's pause here for a second. This number here, what that says is it's greater than or equal to. So my number can be the same as that or equal to that. That sounds kind of weird. But let's say my number can be greater than or equal to 7. Right? Well, that means all the numbers this can be on the number line. It can be any number. Here's 0, here's 7. It's this, right? It's greater than or equal to, so it's everything over here, including 7. So my number could be 7, it can be 8, it can be 9, it can be a million. But this means it's also equal to any number this saying x is any number that is 7 or bigger. This, if I went like this, it means it's any number greater than 7. That means I don't include 7. It can be 8, it can be 9, it can be 10. So this means greater than, this is greater than or equal to. It means you include 7 as part of our solutions, right? So let's go back to the question. You guys see the question here? Am I presenting? A number n plus 7. So I have a number n plus 7. So just write that. Number n plus 7. This is number 6. Number n plus 7 is less than or equal to 9. Okay, less than or equal to. So this is going to be less than, so that means my monster goes here, or equal to 9. And that's all you have to do for 6. Let's do number 7. Okay. Number 7. 15 is no more than a number divided by 5. Okay, 15 is no more. I have to think about that. 15 is no more. 15 is no more. That means, is that going to mean it's bigger or smaller? What do you think? 15 is no more? No more. It's no more than t divided by 5. No more than t divided by less than or equal to? So wait, which one am I going to use? Am I going to use, let's see, two different colors. Is it going to be this one or this one? Or think of the equals. 15 is no more. It's not more than this. So which one is saying 15 is no more? Is it top one or the bottom one? Right? 15 is no more. Which one do you think, Angelina? Okay. 15 is no more. I think I would disagree with you on that one. So what do you think? 15 is no more. What do you think, Italia? Is it the top one or the bottom one on number 7?
Can you say that again?
It's right here. This one right here. Number 7 here. Natalia, can you see my words and then can you see the board at the same time?
No, like the biggest thing that I see is the problems, but I don't see what you're doing on the board, like at all.
You can't see the board? Can you see that you can't
No,
see the
like
board?
my eyes cannot see it.
Well, your eyes can't see it?
Because you're like so tiny and like small.
Are you using your phone?
No, I'm using my computer, but my computer is about to die and I don't have a charger, so I'm
Oh,
gonna have to leave soon.
I see. What's that? Can you pin me? Good idea.
Yeah.
Or is that going to kill your battery?
No, my thing's about to die like right now. It's at 1%.
All right, don't let it die. No. Okay. So anyway, let's see. Olivia, can you see my board?
Yeah.
Olivia, can you see it?
Yeah.
What's that?
I can see it.
Okay, cool. Mrs. Howells thinks I'm talking to her because her name's Olivia too. Miss Howells. No, I wasn't. You're Miss Howells. You're not Olivia. Okay. You are? Okay. 15 is no more than a number divided by 5. So Olivia Sandoval, what do you think it is? 15 is no more. So it's not more than this. Will it be the top one or the bottom one? Olivia?
The bottom.
The bottom one, yes, I can barely hear you. I think my volume's down. Yeah. So 15 is no more. So it's going to be this is no more. So no more, it would be equal to. I think it would be equal to, like what Angelina said, because it can be equal to it. It's just not going to be more than that. So there you go. That's number 7. Okay, let's look at number 8. 3 times the number W is less than 18. That was pretty straightforward. 3 times the number W. So 8. So we have 3 times the number. So write that as 3W is less than 18. Okay, is less than 18. So what do I put? Let's go like this. A or B. Okay, do you see the A or B? Which one is it going to be? 3W is, 3 times the number W is less than 18. Is it going to be A or B? Let's go with, we still have 16 here. Edith, what do you think it is? A or B?
A.
Yep, very good. It's A. So it's less than, right? A. Let's do number 9. You see that there on the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you can't see the self-practice? You can't see it? Okay. Were you able to see the... Okay. Let me get through this and then I'll worry about that. Okay. Number 9. 1/2 a number y is more than 22. 1/2 of a number. So of is multiplication. 1/2 a number y. 1/2 number y is more than 22. A or B? Oh, I wrote 23. 1/2 a number y is more than 22. 1/2 a number y is more than 22. Let's go with, what do you think it is? A or B? Crystal Magallanes, what do you think?
A.
Is more than 22? Let me see the question. I'm trying to remember the question. So 1/2 the number y is more than 22. So it's saying this is more than 22. This is 1/2 y is more than 22. So you're saying it's A, Crystal?
Yeah.
Well, that would be less than. If this is more, 1/2 the number y is more than 22, you're going to say this, right? Because it's going to be bigger than. Does that make sense, Crystal?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We just have 4 more to do. I think you guys have a hard time seeing the assignment, so I'll just go ahead and finish it up here with you guys. Might as well. Okay, let's see. 3 is less than the sum of a number s and 4. 3 is less than, so let's write in order. So 3 is less than the sum number 10. 3 is less than, so I'm going to put something in here. 3 is less than the sum of a number s and 4. So I have s and 4. So 3 is less than, so we have here, I'm going to switch it, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so 3 is less than s plus 4. 3 is less than s plus 4. What are we going to put there? Let's go with, Leilani, what do you think?
Mm,
3
I
is
think
less than s plus 4. Is it going to be A, B, C, or D? 3 is less than the sum of s plus 4. So this is less than that. Which one is it going to be?
A.
Yes, very good. Boom. Okay, let's look at 11. 11. 13 is at least the difference of a number v and 1. 13 is at least. 13 is at least, something goes here, is at least the difference of the number v and 1. So the difference is going to be, what's difference mean? Addition or subtraction? What does difference mean? Addition or subtraction? Elias, what do you think? Is difference addition or subtraction? Elias Ortega?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Is difference addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Yes. Okay. So 13, what does it say? 13. I'm here. 13 is at least. So at least. What do you think, Elias? At least. This is at least that. So is this going to be bigger when you say it's at least this, or smaller?
Bigger?
Yeah, bigger. Now, it can be equal to. So it'd be that. Sorry, I just did the answer. Okay, let's look at 12. Okay, 12. 4 is no less than the quotient of a number x, and 2 quotient, what the heck is that? 4 is no less than the quotient. What does quotient mean? You know what quotient means, Angelina? What's that? Yes, division. So 13 is at least the 4 is no less than the quotient of x and 2.1. So we can write this as x divided by 2.1. 4 is, what did they say? Is no less. No less. So if 4 is no less, is it going to be bigger or smaller? What do you think, Austin? What do you think? 4 is no less. Which one do you do? A, B, C, or D? What do you think, Austin? 4 is no less. Austin, are you there?
Yeah.
What do you think, A, B, C, or D?
Wait, hold on. Sorry, someone was calling me.
I know. Did you tell her you're hungry or not? You must be hungry. I would be hungry.
I don't know. I don't eat.
What? No. What? You don't
course.
eat.
No.
You don't eat. Are you a robot?
No.
Okay, that's good. Hey, Austin, 4 is no less than x divided by 2.1. So no less. What's it going to be? A, B, C, or D?
B.
No less. So it's going to be bigger. So actually, you are right, but it is not B. No less means it can also be equal to. But good going there. It's no less. So it can be equal to. All right? Okay, so let's do the last one, 13 for this. On a fishing trip, you catch 2 fish. The weight of the first fish is shown. The second fish weighs at least 0.5 pound more than the first fish. Write an inequality that represents the possible weight of the second fish. So the second fish is more. So let's call the weight of the fish W plus 0.5, because it's going to weigh at least 0.5 pounds more than what? More than, this is an interesting problem, what's that fish weigh there? 1.2 pounds. Okay. The second fish weighs at least. So at least, there's our key word there. So if it's at least, the second fish is at least, at least that. What am I going to use? A, B, C, or D? So this is at least that. If it's at least it, what do you think, Angelina? A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? It's at least, this is at least that. So which one, if it's at least, which one's going to be more? This is at least that. Yeah, I'd say it's at least it's going to be greater than, so it'll be D. And so 13 is this. Okay? All right. You guys doing okay? Antonio, are you doing okay over there?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
All right. Abigail, can you hear me still, or you cannot hear me still?
I cannot hear you. I had to leave the class and rejoin.
Okay, good idea. Okay, so now we just have 29 through 35 odd. Let's take a look at those. Bless you. Okay, so now we just have to graph these. 29. Okay, so let's just go ahead and graph these, and then we'll be done. Okay? We'll graph and then it'll be done. And then I'm going to check out my assignments because Angelina says you can't see what's on my assignment. So I'll have you guys stay. And I still need to take roll, guys. Okay, so they want us to graph these. Let's look at 29. These are pretty straightforward, but it's important that you understand how to do this. 29. X is greater than or equal to 2. Okay. So you all write that down? I need two numbers I need to write on my number line. What are my two numbers I need to write on my number line? I need two numbers. I told you before, but you might not have caught that. So let's see if anyone was paying attention. What are my two numbers I'm going to need to write on my number line? Let's go with Daniel. What do you think are my two numbers I need to write on this number line here? Let's get back to the problem. What are my two numbers, Daniel?
Two.
I got 2 as one of them. Yes. What's my other number?
X.
No, not X. That's be an actual number. I mean, not the number. I guess X is a number, but a number that we know. Less than 2. I'll just tell you, 0. Okay, Dan, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now X is bigger than 2. Okay, so which way is so it's greater than or equal to, so guess what? You go on 2 and you fill it in. Do a dot fill in because of this equal to. Now, am I going to go to the right or the left if it's bigger than 2? Am I going to go to the right or the left if it's bigger than 2? Let's go with Leilani. What do you think? The right or the left? Leilani, are you there? Oh, so right or left, Leilani? Just write right or left on the chat. What do you think? 50-50 chance. What do you think, Leilani? Right or left? I'm looking at your chat, Leilani. I'm waiting for the chat. You can guess, right or left. If it's greater than, oh, right. Yes, very good. HM right. So it's greater than 2. So it's going to go this way. Anything bigger than 2. It's all the numbers. You got 3, 4, 5. That's how you graph it. That's it. You put the letters number 0 and this number, boom, and then boom. Okay, so let's do 31. Okay, 31. Good job, Leilani. All right, let's do 31. 31 is, okay, now they write it weird here. They have here -1 is greater than t. Now, I don't like the way this looks, so I'm going to flip it around. So instead of that, I'm going to write, you can leave it like this. I think it's easier to see this. Okay, flip the t. Now we have to make sure we write this inequality facing the same way. Notice the mouth is facing the -t. So I have to put the mouth facing the -t. Now I can do my number line. Okay, what are my two numbers I'm going to put on my number line there? What are my two numbers for 31? What are my two numbers? Let's go with Naomi. What are my two numbers I'm going to put on there? Naomi, are you there? Oh, did you text something, Naomi? You can't see well. But Naomi, can you talk? Letting you unmute. Okay. Well, better watch the video. Octavio, what do you think? What are the two numbers I got to put on there, Octavio?
I think it's you're supposed to put -1, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, that's right. -1 and what else?
And and 0.
Yeah, so let's put 0 first. And where's my -1? The left or the right, Octavio?
It's to the left.
Very good. Okay, so now it says t is less than -1. Do I do an open circle or a closed circle?
Did you say open or closed circle?
Yeah.
Um, hmm. An open circle?
Yeah, because it's not equal to, so it's open. Now, if it's t is less than -1, am I going to the left or the right?
I think you're gonna go. Are you gonna go to the right?
T is less than -1. So to the right, all these numbers are bigger than -1, right? Because 0 is bigger.
Oh, I mean the left.
Yes. Boom. There you go. That's 31. We only have 2 more to do, and then we'll be done. Give you a second to write that out. V is less than or equal to -4. That's an easy one. So we'll go with 33. V is less than or equal to negative. So you guys all try that on your own. Try that on your own. Put your 2 numbers, put your arrows. You guys try that on your own. And I'm going to take a look here. So you guys, so you cannot see the, what do you see when you open it up? Is it blank? Oh, okay, I'll fix that. Boom. Okay. Take a look at it now. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's go with Edith. How'd you do on this one? Edith, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, how'd you do on this one?
I
Do
think
you know what
good.
to do?
Yeah.
Okay, what are the 2 numbers I put here?
-4 and 0.
Okay, 0, -4 is over here. Open or closed circle, Edith?
Closed.
Very good. And which way is my arrow going to go, left or right?
Left.
Yep, anything less than -4 would be in that direction. By the way, if the letter's over here, look at how this kind of points that way. Kind of a quick thing to do. And last one, and then I got to take rolly roll. Okay, number 35. Very good, Edith. That was very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. 1/4 is less than P. We say, now it's a fraction. Who cares? Doesn't matter. 1/4 is less than P. Go ahead and try to get that. Write that out. 1/4 is less than P. Do it on the number line. And I'm going to try to see if I can get the synergies coming up. Oh, there we go. It looks different, huh? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do roll here pretty quickly, but let's go with this. Edgar, what are my two numbers I'm going to put on here? My number line, Edgar. Edgar,
Yeah.
what are my two numbers I'm going to put on here?
One fourth is less than P.
Yeah, but what are my two numbers I'm going to put on my number line?
Oh, 0 and 1/4.
Yes, 0, 1/4. 1/4 is to the right. Doesn't matter where you put it. It's number line, whatever you want. Okay. Now, do I do an open circle or a closed circle?
Open circle.
Open. Do I go to the left or the right?
The left.
I have to think about this. No, it's not. I don't like looking at it this way. It's confusing. I should have changed it first. Edgar, are you with me? Let's change it to P
Yeah.
over here and 1/4 over here. Okay? It's easier to understand this way. So where does my mouth go? Does my mouth go this one or the bottom one? Which way should my mouth go? The top or the bottom? Which one do I put in here? Now that I've flipped these. Edgar, are you there?
Yeah.
Don't unmute, man. I'm talking to you. So which one do I put? The top or the bottom? See how I switch? Edgar, you see how I switched those?
Yeah.
Okay, so which one do I do? This top one or bottom one? Like, that goes here now.
The top one.
Well, look it. So look here, Edgar. See how the mouth is facing the P?
Yeah.
Now, so my mouth should still be facing the P.
Also the bottom one.
Yeah, so you gotta make sure you get this. Now let's see if it makes more sense. P is greater than 1/4. Looking at this, which way should my arrow go?
The right side.
The right. It's everything bigger than 1/4. See, it's a lot easier to understand if you put the variable on the left. That's what I think. Okay? But you guys, if you don't have to, that's fine. Just, you know. All right. So I just published everything. Everyone check out actually, let me take roll. Everyone ready for roll? Let's see, make sure I'm on the right class. Okay, Elias Arroyo, are you there? Crystal Ayam Pentacal. Rosa Balderas. Antonio Cervantes.
Here.
Edith J. Borges.
Here.
Sherlyn Coronado. Naomi Cortez. Abigail Gonzalez Villegas.
Here.
Octavio Guerra.
Here.
David Guzman. Alberto Juarez Arenas. Angelina Liu. Crystal Magallanes.
Here.
Daniel Mejia.
Here.
Edgar Mejia.
Here.
Leilani Mendoza.
Here.
Jose Mina. Noel Munoz. Elias Ortega.
Here.
Angelina Rodriguez. Austin Rodriguez.
Here.
Nicholas Rodriguez. Olivia Sandoval.
Here.
Rosie Serrato. Devin Solis. Natalia Solorio. Leitali Guatama. Andy Tumamate. Quinlan Wilson. Leilani Zavala. lot of people were absent because that class wasn't up. But all right, here's how I'm absent. Elias Arroyo, Crystal Ayampatacal, Rosa Balderas, Sherlyn Coronado, Naomi Cortez, David Guzman, Alberto Juarez Arenas, Jose Mina, Noel Munoz, Angelina Rodriguez, Nicholas Rodriguez, Rosie Serato, Devin Solis, Italia Solorio, Leotali Tuatama, Andy Tumamate, Quinlan Wilson, and Leilani Zavala. Are any of those people here? I'm not going to read it again.
I'm here. Angelina Rodriguez.
Okay. Thank you, Angelina. Okay. So that's it. I'll say it one more time. Elias Arroyo, Chris Ayampatacal, Rosa Balderas, Sherlyn Coronado, Naomi Cortez, David Guzman, Alberto Juarez, Jose Mina, Noel Munoz, Nicholas Rodriguez, Rosie Serato, Devin Solis, Italia Solorio, Leotali Tuatama, Andy Tumamate, Quinlan Wilson, and Leilani Zavala. Those who's absent. Okay, so make sure you guys check your synergy. I just got all that up. I'm sorry, I'm going to stop recording this. So everything should be on the make sure you can see the assignments now, because you have your check your understanding you need to do. Make sure you do that today. Make sure you do your check your understanding. Make sure you see that. So if you have trouble getting on to what's this called? The Canvas, and you can't see the assignment. So it should look like this. I'm going to change Integrated Math 1 CP period 2, and it should be here. Go to modules. You should be able to see the assignments. I'll go to student view. You should be able to see these assignments. And then tonight you have your check your understanding. So you can go ahead and do that. Check your understanding 2.1. Okay, and there's an answer key to check your answer, but we did all the problems. To check your understanding. So that should be good. The check your understanding 4 points, scored at least a 2. So you guys can take the quiz. So I think that's it. Is everyone able to get on? Let's see. Edith, were you able to get on and see your assignments?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And Edgar, were you able to see the check your understanding? Were you able to see that, Edgar?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right. You guys, school's in, so come on in. Come on over tomorrow, all right? Everything's good. We have the air scrubber. We're cleaning we're wearing masks. We're washing the desks. You know, we're as safe as we can be. So if you're in doubt, come out so we can have more fun. The more of you come here, the more fun it is. You know what I mean? And I think that's it. Does anyone have any questions? All right. You guys, hey, I hope you had I'm sorry I had a rough start, but you guys were very patient. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys. And if you don't have any questions, you can go. And I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully more of you will come. I'll see you guys. Make sure you say bye. I love you guys. I love you so much. You guys are the best. Bye, Elias. Bye, Octavio. Bye, Crystal. Bye, Leilani. Bye, Antonio. Bye, Edgar. Bye, Abigail.
Mr. Sanchez.
Oh, Abigail has a quick question. Yes. What's up, Austin? Is that Austin?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
I'm not gonna be able to make class tomorrow because I have to go do something at 10. I think 10:30.
Well, hey, man, that's okay with me. Just make sure 2 things. I'll record everything, but have your parents call in the school to get an excused absence, because I will mark you absent.
All right.
All right? But yeah, and I'll record it so you can see it. And as long as you can see everything on Canvas, you should be good. All right? Is that good, Austin? Any other questions?
That's it.
All right, cool. All right, who's next? Abigail or Naomi, were you going to say something?
Yeah,
Abigail,
my microphone thing wasn't working. I just figured out how to fix it.
oh yeah, I see you. Okay, cool. Thanks for letting me know. It's good to see you. I can't see you, so I'm glad to see you. Are you going to come to school?
Yeah, my parents are sending me.
Nice. Tell your parents good job, even though you probably don't want to come, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll see you here tomorrow then.
All right. I just want to make sure I got marked here for attendance.
Oh, shoot. That's right. Let me check that out. That's a good point. I marked you absent, so I'll fix it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you're good. I got it.
Bye, Mr. Sanchez.
All right, see you. See you here.
I have
Okay.
a question.
What's up, Angelina?
On Canvas, it says I have math for second period and then I have bio for second period.
Did I call your name in attendance?
Yes.
Okay, so you should be in math. When do you have bio?
It also says second period on Canvas.
No, but when do you have bio in synergy, like regular? When do you your bio?
Fourth.
Okay, so tell your bio teacher.
Okay.
Because you're fine with me, you're supposed to be in my second period class. So your bio teacher needs to just switch it.
Okay.
She should be able to take care of it.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. All right, Alberto. Oh, Alberto, I think I marked you absent. Did I mark you absent?
Yeah, I couldn't find the Google Meet thing.
I know, it was my fault. I finally fixed it.
Oh, okay.
So I got you here. So I recorded everything. I'm gonna upload it.
Okay.
I did the whole homework assignment. So it's all
Okay.
recorded. Just copy
So,
what I do.
is there anything that we need to do today on Canvas?
Yeah, we're doing assignment 2.1.
Okay.
Can you see it over there on the board? Or no?
Yeah, I see
Harold,
it.
you see it?
Yeah.
So go ahead and copy that down. And then I'm